This is yellow corn. Yellow corn is a source of energy or carbohydrate to your poultry and livestock animals. It is very necessary that yellow or white corn must be included in their feed. So if you're making poultry feed, yellow or white corn or other grains are important in your feed. Hello, today we are on episode 5. Episode 5, we are dealing with energy source for your poultry feed that is under carbohydrate. The major ingredients in poultry feed is the corn. Either white corn, as you are seeing, this is the white corn, or the yellow corn. We still make use of guinea corn and other grains. White corn contains up to 3,300 calories per kilogram of energy. It has carbohydrates, it has crude fat also, it has crude protein. The protein content of white corn or white maize is between 8 to 10% crude protein, depending on how you process it. This is the major ingredients in any livestock feed. The grains, that is the energy source, that is the corn or any of the grains, either guinea corn, yellow corn, white corn, or others. The corn takes up to 50 to 60% inclusion rate in poultry and livestock feed, most especially poultry feed, feather beds. After this, I will show you the yellow corn also and other grains you can use for your poultry feed. Please don't skip any of these videos. Make sure you watch the video to the end, because this is the last episode of this particular video. And other source of energy also, not only corn that gives energy. Let's get to the next one. This is another energy source for your poultry and livestock feed. It has 3,400 calories per kilogram of energy. It's a major source of carbohydrate or energy for your poultry and livestock feed. The inclusion rate could be up to 45 to 50%. You can still make use of this and still corn. You can add 50-50 of them. Because of the cost, you can make use of only corn alone or maize alone. Any of these grains is good for your poultry and livestock feed. If you have any question, please drop your questions on the comment section. It is rich in fat also, though little quantity of fat. But when you're looking for the fatty content, go for food fat soya bean, red oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, cod leaf oil, fish oil, castor oil, and others. But this is for energy or carbohydrate in your feed. Chicken love this. It is palatable to them. You can still mix this directly without even crushing it, without even grinding it. Most usually, if you are feeding them directly without pelletizing the feed. But if you must pelletize the feed, you must grind this into powder format before pelletization. The next energy source, this can be energy and at the same time fat. This is vegetable oil. You can see it. This is vegetable oil. It is a source of energy also for the poultry feed, and also makes the food look smooth and palatable. It serves as energy, it serves as fat also. Vegetable oil. You can see it. The next source of energy is the yam, cassava, flour, potato, and others. See, this is what you're seeing here is yam. The head of those yams you don't eat in your home, you can still make use of them. You can still peel them and dry them. Because these ones are dried. These ones are yam particles that are dried. Are you seeing them? All these things are not waste. You don't, if you're into poultry farming, you are looking for a way to drop the cost of your poultry. Everything must not be market. Going to the market to buy feed at a exorbitant price. Why you don't make much profit from your chicken? See, those potatoes you don't eat also, you can still dry them, cut them and dry them. Even cassava, you can still dry them also. They are rich in carbohydrates, and carbohydrate is good for your livestock. It's source of the energy. Unused carbohydrates can be converted to fat and grows your chicken big. They're the major source of poultry ingredients. You can see them here. The next one is cassava flour. If you have cassava flour, that is cassava, you grind it to powder. Most especially if you are pelletizing your feed, you can make use of the cassava flour. It makes the food look smooth during pelletization. That is, you want to feed your chicken with pellets. Cassava flour is very important. Either cassava flour, wheat flour, or any of the grains. You see it? This is cassava flour. It's a source of energy also, and it helps in binding the feed during pelletizing. It is very good source of carbohydrate for your poultry feed. Cassava is one of the cheapest source of carbohydrate or energy. It is low in energy though, and low in fat also. If you have the cassava peel, you can make use of the cassava peel. But if you are pelletizing your feed, cassava flour is very good. Make sure you watch the video to the end. That's the only way you can get this complete organic poultry feed naked. You can see this particular one. You can see this is waste from the kitchen also. This is waste beans, burnt beans. We're making use of them. A lot of ingredients are here, and they are all kitchen waste. This is purely organic. There's no form of synthetic at all. You can see orange peas, banana peas, plantain peas, lemon peas. All of them are combined to make this particular feed with yellow corn, white corn. You can see this is orange peas. You can see them lemon peas. You can see them dried. You can see them orange peas and lemon peas. They are all dried. Both the waste, all are here complete. They are not cake meal, full fat soya bean meal, all are here. Blood meal, bone meal, limestone. You can see this particular one. These are all kitchen waste. Watch to the end and share this video to reach more people. And if you have any question, because I will not be making comments, if you have any question here as you are watching it, please ask the question on the comment section. I will answer you and tell you and explain more for you what is going on. This is the grinding process.